Hello guys, thanks for being here and watching this video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to teach you a gorgeous eye makeup look that combines pink and black shades. It's incredibly easy to recreate and it gives off such a cute and beautiful vibe. I will guide you through each step, so make sure to stay with me and continue watching the rest of the video. I use a pink eyeshadow with a fluffy brush and apply to the inner corner of my eyelid, gradually extending it towards the center. You can choose your desired pink shade from your favorite eyeshadow palette or single eyeshadows. I decided to use a powdery pink eyeshadow and slowly add it to my eyelid to intensify the color. Okay, next I go in with the same powder based eyeshadow but this time in black shade. Using a small flat brush, I apply a small amount of the black eyeshadow to the outer corner of my eyelid and blend it upwards. Blending the black eyeshadow can be a bit tricky, so I gradually add more shadow and blend it using the same brush. If you're not comfortable with this type of brush, you can use a larger fluffy brush for blending. I know that blending the eyeshadow can be a bit time consuming, but I've demonstrated the complete blending process in this step to ensure we proceed smoothly. Personally, I find it easier to blend powder eyeshadows, which is why I prefer using them. I carefully focus on blending the black eyeshadow to ensure there are no harsh lines. My goal is to create a soft, smoky shadow effect. Depending on your preference, you can make your eyeshadow bolder or softer. Alright, we've completed this step and it was quite simple and effortless. With a fluffy brush, blend the eyeshadow around the crease and center of your eyelid to ensure there are no harsh lines. I applied the pink eyeshadow again, this time sweeping it across my entire lower lash line and blending it well. It's a very easy and effortless step to achieve a seamless and blended look. Now let's switch to the black eyeshadow again. This makeup look is actually a combination of these two eyeshadows, commonly found in most eyeshadow palettes. I apply the black eyeshadow along my lower lash line, creating a thin line and then extend it towards the center. In this step, I use a glitter powder eyeshadow and an eyeliner brush. Starting from the inner corner of my eyelid, I create a curved line and continue it upwards towards the center of my eyelid. I love this technique and I also apply it on my lower lash line. Alright, I use the eyeliner to complete my eye makeup. I usually extend the eyeliner along my lash line towards the center. You can continue it all the way to the beginning of your eyelid if you prefer. Use mascara to add volume to your lashes. You can also use false eyelashes for this purpose. Well, our eye makeup is complete now. Thank you for watching the video so far. I hope this tutorial has been helpful to you. Please support me with your likes and comments. If you're interested in makeup content, I upload tutorial videos every week, so make sure to subscribe to not miss out on the new videos and share them with your friends. I love you all and I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.
Pick up the phone when you alone. All I ever asked was you to show me some love, kisses and hugs. No, I never had an issue. Go to the club with your boys, baby. I never wanted you to stay too long, just wanted you to show